Ready to unlock a world of communication possibilities? Let's dive into setting up your Twilio account. Step by step. First, head over to Twilio's website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your first and last name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to use a valid email address, so you'll need to verify. Twilio will send a verification email to the address you provide. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to confirm your email. Once your email is verified, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. Twilio uses this for security and account recovery. Enter your phone number and click verify. A verification code will be sent to your phone via SMS. Enter the code into the verification field on the Twilio website and click submit. Now, you'll go through a short questionnaire about your Twilio usage. This helps customize your experience. Select the options that best describe your needs. After answering the questions, you will be taken to your account dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do is get a phone number. Click on the Get a Trial Number button. This provides a free number to experiment with Twilio's features. Twilio will present you with a list of available numbers. Choose one that you like and click Choose this number. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a Twilio account and claimed your first phone number. Now, let's get acquainted with the Twilio console. You will find key information like your account SID and Auth token. €. Treat these like a username and password. Keep them safe. TwiML, or Twilio Markup Language, is how you tell Twilio what to do with incoming calls and messages. Think of it as a simple set of instructions that Twilio understands, and that's it. You are now ready to start exploring the amazing communication tools offered by Twilio. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.